Is this your NaNoWriMo hobby? Can you put the lid on? That's right. Put the puzzle down and pick it up. Keep thinking about it. Oh, that's enough. Can you shake up your jug? Do you need more spoons? Has Mama created a monster? What's in there? Kevin, what are you doing? Are you playing a game called Spoons in the Jug? Yeah, and you're putting spoons in the jug? You can do it. Here, put it in your other hand. Can you put it in your other hand? Here, Mama help you. Ready? Here. Okay, now do it. Look at that, now it worked. You did it. Oh, what's in here? Kevin, what you doing? You need help? Here. But you can do it. Did you forget how? Here. You did it! Spoon in the jug. Do you love putting spoons into the jug? Okay, twist it around. Do you want help? This one. You don't want to play this game anymore? Does it make you sad when you can't get it? Can Mama help you? Is it time to put away the jug? Hello. Oh, you need a little rest. Oh, Mama loves you.